So I'm just about to make a latte. Stop the group. Took me a while to level the camera, so the portafilter's probably chilled down a little bit. Let's make this anyway. I forgot my scales. Luckily there's Preinfusion going on. Now you can actually steam at the same time as doing a shot. Let's just burge a little bit. There's the liquid out the one. And I can steam at the same time as doing a shot. I normally wouldn't, but just thought it's one of the tricks of dual boilers. They do that. Oh, it's getting pretty warm now. Well, I'm done there. I like my not quite hot actually. And I'm not a latte artist. To make myself a coffee. I've actually found with this group, which is E61 size, but it's not an E61, as in one of these on the Lelit Mara, I found a 16 gram dose seems to suit this group because the shower screen part dips in a little more. I'm about to do a shot with Preinfusion, but with the steam boiler off, so this is more a bloom phase. And as you see, you watch the needle there, it'll rise up, and as soon as it does, it'll start to drop back. And we should start to see coffee dripping from the spouts, and then the pump will come on again. Just about to make myself another morning coffee on the Lelit Elizabeth. The steam boiler is off, as you can see, with the little eco sign. So I'm going to use button 2 where I'm set up for a bloom phase. It's a 14 second Preinfusion phase. 6 seconds is comprised of pump run, and then the other 8 seconds is actually the bloom phase where the pump will turn off, and you'll see the pressure drop in the gauge up here. So we'll do that now. As you can see, the pump runs for 6 seconds, pumps up, the pressure stops, and you'll see the pressure gradually dropping away. It shouldn't drop away too fast, you want it to be nice and gradual, and then the 14 seconds is hit and the coffee's out the spout. The objective really with the bloom phase is to try and get it so that you see coffee just coming out of the spout, either at the very end of the bloom phase or shortly after the pump starts. Now I'm going to extract to 32 grams because I only had 16 grams in. So I stop at 30, and that'll get me to about 32, and that's a 40-second shot. But if you deduct the time for the bloom phase, you're down at about 32 to 30 seconds for the shot, which is what I particularly like for this coffee. It's also a very quiet machine as well, which is nice because